What's up guys, Stixx Picks here, back on the video. We're here at the flea market. As you can tell, it's a little bit more dry. Look how empty it is over here today. How much we asking on the game?
This is 40.
How much we asking on the PS3?
Yeah, 100.
And the PS2?
Yeah, 80.
Alright.
How much for your 25. Yes, they new.
That guy definitely has a nice booth. He definitely has a lot nicer things in that booth. Those prices are wild. I'll be showing you guys soon. But that PS3 Fat didn't have any cords. They did have 2 controllers though. I could probably show you some comps that are literally like 60 bucks with the cords and all. $40 for Mario Party 8 is absolutely wild. I'm pretty sure Mario Party 8 is like, I want to say like 25 online. I swear, like 20, 30 bucks. I was about to buy it for market value off him just because I wanted the game. How much are the shoes?
I want 25.
All right. How much are you asking on the PlayStation?
30.
All right, that PS3 Slim's not a bad buy. If it's still there when I go around, I might go get it. It's about like parts even, 54 bucks. He said 30, 100 bucks with some cords and stuff. All right, we're doing a lot of walking and I haven't really found anything of interest, so we'll try to do another little lap, but I don't know if I'm gonna find anything to buy. Some Dragon Ball games. It'll probably work. It looks kind of messed up in the back, but it'll probably work.
Thank you.
Thank you. Look how dead it is over here. The whole market, I don't know, it's not like dead, but like I'm here very often. I show you guys it every time. It's a lot of the same stuff, and I don't exactly want to bore you guys, you know? How much are you asking the Funko Pop?
10. The Dragon Ball?
Yeah, I like Dragon Ball. I've never found a Krillin Funko Pop yet.
The Dragon Ball?
Oh, you like it too? Oh wow, yeah, that's what I want to get one of those when I'm old. I want to get a nice tattoo.
Yeah.
It's a good show. How much sell PS4 for?
100 bucks.
How much for the Xbox?
30 bucks.
All right. Yeah, it's like if you have the box and it's brand new, it could be a lot, but with just the console and cords, which he doesn't have, it's literally like 100, 150. Yeah, 150-ish, 125. So if I can maybe get it in 75, if no one else is interested for a while, I can maybe get it in. Alex.
What'd you find?
Dragon Ball Funko Pop.
In the PS3? They got the PS4 in the box.
Where? Did you find anything?
I just bought an e-bike, electric bike for like 60 bucks.
I haven't even seen him around though, my dad.
Your dad's moving. He thinks I'm ahead of him or something.
The music kind of ruined my recording over there, so I just didn't do it. But we got 4 Xbox controllers for 15 bucks, 4 Xbox 360 controllers. I mean, for 15 bucks, the 4 of them isn't a bad deal. I think I could sell each individually for about 15 bucks a piece, you know? Maybe just one big bundle for 35 or something, just throwing money. We'll see how it goes, but I definitely will at least throw in money on those controllers. How much are you asking on the Xbox?
That's no cable. Just the $25. If I don't see you, I got some.
You got 20 on it?
I do 12, yeah. I don't know. I don't have it.
All right. Thank you, man. Hope I can find the cords around here too. Yeah, I probably will. That's what I'm thinking.
In working condition, just need extra stuff.
Thank you.
That's his stuff. Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were selling it.
Yeah.
I say 20 for this one?
That's how much I got this one for.
One second.
25, I think, actually. Buddy, we're leaving the market now. We bought a couple things. I think we spent about 70 bucks, 20 bucks in the Xbox, 25 for the PS3, 15 for the controller bundle, and 10 bucks for the Funko Pop. And it's time to test the PS3. We have the cord to test it, so let's test it. The Xbox, original Xbox, I don't have the cords for yet, so I can't do that, unfortunately, but I'll probably find some cords for it at Stockton or something like that. Let me look at them now so I can remember. Oh crap, that looks way too similar to the PS3 one, so I might have a hard time trying to get one of these. Unless these fit in here. Oh, look, is that the same cord? It fits in it.
Just an HDMI and power cord?
Let's test this PS3. Let's see if it works. I have a good feeling it's gonna work. It looks to be in pretty solid condition.
Okay,
all right, it's turning on. Wait, still, it might stop. That's a good sign so far. All right, now let's put the right HDMI. Oh, it is on. Bam! There you go, guys. That's how it's done. Working PS3. Usually when you turn these on, it gives you like a profile and stuff like that, but it's telling you put the time and date, so it's either just a reset or like it's just like not used yet. I don't know.
It looks like they can reset these. They didn't want you having their games or their information.
That's kind of cool. I like to see people's accounts, see what games they have, so I'm guessing we're not going to see anything on here then, right?
10 bucks.
Oh, there it goes.
We have accounts. You give me 10 bucks? Ted, I have to at least make a little bit, right? I paid 25.
Oh, so I'll give you 20. Save you the time.
I'm sick.
Don't have no games.
Hey, it's got the same fits the PS5 as this.
Okay, I don't have the HDMI for this Xbox. It has a different thing in the background, but it works. Look at. What does that mean though? Okay, it has like a little blinking light. I feel like that's not that good, right? You guys tell me what that exactly means if it's blinking yellow. There's a disc in here, I'm pretty sure. There's stuff in here. Like, that's a pretty clean disc. But I'm not sure. It's blinking. So we're gonna pack my dad's eBay of the Pirates, and he has, let's show you guys, freaking 66 items sold since pretty much yesterday. The process of me packing, we have about 69 items to pack out. I'll probably do about at least 40 of them, right? Look, I think I've already tried to show you guys this. This is a freaking mess back here. We're packing supplies. We have all of this from the philosophy stuff. There's wall of stuff too. Freaking so much different packing supplies. We have so much. Then all the stuff I'm going to be finding to pack. Mostly there's 2 shelves right here. We have a lot of models. This big old shelf of some philosophy stuff as well. Then we come back here, have some gym shore, some shoes, more random items up here. Models again, makeup stuff like that. Look at some Disney stuff like this. Look at that. It's pretty cool. And all of these up there still need to be listed. We're getting through them though. How much purses do you think you have listed though? Like how many purses?
It's like 100 now.
About 100 purses.
Yeah.
I packed 69 items right now. What I like to do though, I find the items first and I just bring them over here because walking back and forth with 69 items sucks. Just
Can I interject?
find all the items.
I like the number 69.
All right guys, that's the end of the video. That means if you watch this whole video, thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate you, and put a heart in the comments if you watched this far. Peace out.